thought I should give you a demo of the Bluetooth web app using Web Bluetooth, partly because it's not so easy to just immediately run and test. You'd have to get the hardware first and so on. So let me run you through it quickly. On the screen here you see that we can see for devices, and BTO5 is available there. So let's see on the hardware side. This is BTO5 flashing, meaning it's looking for, flashing meaning it's looking for the signal. In the meantime, I'll click pair on that device, and there it goes solid because it's connected. Okay, let me put the camera right. Yes. Okay. Over to the code. Just to give you the broad folder structure, because it's a bit of a mono repo with the Arduino and the View app together. So in the View Bluetooth is that app that you saw there. Bluetooth hardware utils you might not need, but it's handy to have. It's based straight off the existing sort of how-tos and libraries and so on. And then this is the Arduino code that's ready to talk to the connection. So this will make more sense if I demo it. So let me jump to that. Okay, so the first thing, when we did connect, we did a bit of a handshake, so we can see that we connected because it's Arduino that says hi from Arduino. Okay, also nice to explore this a bit to get a feeling for things. I'll leave that to you. Alright, so if I say something like set temp but with echo, it echoes back set temp. So that's coming from the Arduino, and I'll show you in the code now. The idea, I've got comma separation on the Arduino side, so this will become as 2 units of information to it. Now if I take the echo off, it means it's as if it's a message that we're ready on the Arduino side to receive. That says aiming for 34 degrees C, although we haven't given it that functionality yet. So that should make this make more sense. So various ways of just receiving those strings, but the use new data is where some of the more specifics live. So we've got our comma separated values coming in as part 1, part 2 and part 3. That's the max there. So there's our handshaking section, but here is where you'll then be building on the most. You want different messages, and what must the Arduino do from those messages. So our set temp example runs here. Of course, the serial print is visible below, so that's sort of like the Arduino's console log, but the Bluetooth device print is what you send then back to the computer. So if I send it set temp comma 34, it then is writing back that it will be aiming for that, and so on. Yeah, that's that aspect. Let's have a quick look for orientation then on the view side. I'm assuming some web knowledge and so on, or view knowledge, but I have made it, I've got a Bluetooth store and the Bluetooth helper, and the Bluetooth helper is more of this web Bluetooth functionality, so that if you're coming from React or whatever, these functions will be easier to copy across and use. So then the store, the Vuex store, interacts with the Bluetooth helper. Okay, I think that's enough to get you exploring around the code base. I might add to this if something comes to mind when I switch off the camera. Cheers for now, have a good one.